Hi, this is Miss Chan. Here is just a video of how John Luigi can get to his homework. So on his, if you go into Google Classroom, so John Luigi should be in 5th grade Miss Chan. He might have other classes, but he should click on 5th grade Miss Chan. And all my work is posted here. This is the front page. And so as you can see, weekly reading log. This is what John Luigi has to do. So this is what I see as a teacher. This is what John Luigi sees. He needs to read 20 to 30 minutes each day. When he's done reading, he clicks here and it opens up a reading log for him. Each kid has a copy. For each day, John Luigi needs to type the title of the book. So maybe Pete the Cat. The number minutes read, and a summary. He has to tell me what he read. So that's the reading log. So we have reading log for this week, October 5th to October 9th. He also has Friday math homework. So if he clicks on it, the instruction says click on the Nearpod lesson below. This is the code that he needs to put in. He clicks on it, a new tab opens up. So John Luigi will write his name. So he's going to write John Luigi, but I'm going to put Miss Chan as an example. He's going to click Join Lesson. First, there's a video today on adding mixed numbers. So he can click on it and then watch the video. Then he clicks on the next slide, and so this has different tools, like he can write on it. So I want him to add whole numbers and then add the fraction. So 1 plus 7 is 8, and then he needs to add 1/2 plus 1/2, which is 2/2. If he wants to, he can use the text option. He can make the box big and small. You use this to drag. Here, make it a little bit smaller. He can write the answer 5 and maybe 1/3, for example. Then he clicks out of it and then he clicks submit. And then it takes him to the next page. And when he's done, he clicks submit. And then he does the next one, submit. This is when he's all done. So that's math homework. So we have weekly reading log, Friday, today's date, math homework. He also has a Friday grammar worksheet. So he clicks on it. The instructions are here. So he can click on it and work on his interjections. So I want you to notice that each day, besides the weekly reading log, each day he has math and language arts. Math, language arts. So he needs to check this page every day and they're labeled by date. Feel free to email me in Spanish if you have any questions. I can go over this again or maybe have Ms. Gomez call you and kind of talk to you what this looks like. Thank you.